Okay, so I just got through making this socket rack, and I wanted to talk for a minute about how to get your numbers. Anytime you're doing something like this and labeling, how do you get them in the right place? So it's kind of a painstaking process, but what I did was I got them all in order here, and then I held a ruler in front of them, and I did it just to the end of the first socket, held this in place, and then I took a picture of it, and just kept working my way down. And then I knew what each socket was. I wrote that on a list. And then if you open a program like Word and turn your ruler on, turn your paper landscape, and then show the ruler, and you can also turn grids on. And so then what you do is you just look at your picture and you say, okay, starting out, let's do this one down here. Starting out is 10 millimeters, and then at 1.25 inches is 13 millimeters, and at 2 1/8 is 14 millimeters, and you just keep working your way down, and you can move them across, and the ruler will show you in that grid. You can line those numbers up. Now you have to get a font that'll fit. You can see like this font up here is a lot bigger, but I had to use a smaller font because I couldn't fit it in here. Probably should have used even a smaller one. And then when I got down here, I just went to a 20 font for pretty much all of this. When I got to the 1/4 inch drive stuff, it was so small that I had to make my font even smaller to make it fit in there. But I was real happy with the way it came out. But anyway, anytime you need to do that, you can just take your ruler, shoot a picture, then label what they are, get into Word or something like that, and turn on rulers and grids, and just, your first one is here, and then the next one you can see, my next one is at 1 inch, my next one is at 1 3/8, my next one is at 2 3/8, my next one is at 3 1/8, and you just move your numbers over because you can read them on the ruler up there, and then print them out, cut them into strips, and glue them on. And that's how I did it. Anyway, I hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.